how to disable read receipts on your Signal app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you do not want someone to see that you have read their message, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Signal app and then go to your profile icon in the top left corner and then head over to settings. Now go ahead and tap on privacy and then you can see the read receipts there. So if it is on, you just have to tap on it and toggle it off. So now people won't be able to see even if you have read their messages. However, if disabled, you also won't see read receipts or typing indicators from others. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.